Adding controller support in Godot is fast and easy. Skip to this timestamp if you already have an input map with actions for your project. So let's dive into Godot. So I'm going to show a quick example if you don't know anything about inputs yet. So I'm going to hit other node and add a character body 3D. And then I'm going to attach a script. And I'm going to use the template for basic movement. And this will use the inputs, UI left, UI right, and up, down, so on. And these ones are default ones, and it's the arrow keys on your keyboard. And if you want to use custom ones, you go into project settings, and from general tab you move to input map and you add a new action. So this could be move underscore forward, move underscore backward, move underscore right, move underscore left. And now I have 4 actions here, and I hit the plus button to connect an event. And this will be an input from a keyboard, mouse, or a controller. So if I were to press W, it will be W on my keyboard. I can just press OK, add other ones for backwards, right, and left. And that's how you add custom inputs. And now I've connected my controller, and it's the exact same process. So if I hit the plus button and use my controller now, I can move the joystick around. And if I want to move forward, I will press it up and it will recognize that it's up. I can press OK. And if I press, for example, A, you have to click with your mouse on the listening for inputs. Otherwise it won't recognize that it's an input from my controller. If I hit A, for example, on my controller, it will be for both a Sony cross. And I guess a Sony cross is the PlayStation controllers. Then we have an Xbox. And on Xbox it's A, and on Nintendo it's B. And then we have some special ones that only exist on some things. For example, the PlayStation controller has a touchpad, and the Xbox, or actually all the major ones, seems to have a share button or a capture button, and a bit more. So if you don't have a controller, you can still set it up, but it's a lot easier when you have one. So if I want to move backwards, I select that one and add. Right, I just move the joystick to the right and hit OK, and left to the left. And then if I want to use this in my game, I just replace the default ones with move underscore left and move underscore right, and up is forward, so move forward and move backward. And if I run the level now, here's me moving with the WASD on my keyboard. You can see that it's quite snappy. And if I use the controller, it looks pretty smooth when I'm moving around. And I can't use the arrow keys anymore. But that could be your mission, to add the arrow keys to these ones. In the description, I will link some resources to the names of the buttons on controllers. Thanks for watching, and shout out to my Ko-fi members. For source code, custom videos, or coaching, check out my Ko-fi, and I'll see you in the next one.